For Ardha Chandrasana, we have to take a hop. We have to take a jump from that Adho Mukha Svanasana. Foot lands in between these bricks and your hand has to go ahead. So Adho Mukha Svanasana from here. From Adho Mukha Svanasana, look in between the palms, land forward. This hand goes ahead and then unfold and lift into Ardha Chandrasana. If possible, see that you get your palms down. This leg stays up in the air. Push and jump back into Adho Mukha. Look in from Adho Mukha Svanasana, look in between your palms. Take that jump, hand goes forward and lift up. From there, palms come down on the bricks. Bend this front leg, top leg stays in the air. And you have to help with that top leg as well. Go backwards. So press your palms, both legs bent, and then throw both the legs back to Adho Mukha Svanasana.